So hi guys, Are here, welcome back. I'm on Van TV Media, his channel, because I'm visiting Mombasa for the first time. So we are going to chat a little bit about YouTube, how to be a YouTuber, how you can start out on YouTube. But before we dive into the topic, guys, kindly introduce yourself. We're going to start with him.
Okay, I'm Joseph Ngila Ngonzi.
My name is Victor Miremo Jumba. My channel name Van TV Media.
My name is Black Joseph. That is a real name, Joseph Onyango Wino, represent County 001, P4.
Okay, so we have a musician, we have a comedian. So we have a musician and a singer and a comedian. So it's quite a mix in the building for today. So let's start the discussion. I'm new to Kenya, so I don't know a lot about Kenya, but I know Kenya does so well when it comes to YouTube. I see Kenya has quite a number of content creators who are doing all sorts of things. Some creating content in English, others mainly Swahili. So I want to start with Van TV Media. How has been your experience so far as a YouTuber?
As a YouTuber, I can tell to viewers to start YouTube is so challenging, but to work hard you can achieve. My aim is to work hard you can achieve. It's so challenging to start a YouTube channel. I may urge those youths who are outside there, instead of idling or sitting there using drugs, alcohols, I may urge you, please do something, create contents, upload in YouTube. By the end of the year or end of the day, you might get some little money.
Okay, yeah. I like that.
Yeah, I'm a Kenyan YouTuber. My channel is Joseph TV Show. That is the name of my channel. I'm also a musician. I do play guitar and singing. I do a lot of cover songs, and also I do fine art. Art is my life, and I love art so much.
Yes, so you can share with us how has been your experience so far as a YouTuber? How has been your YouTube journey? Is it easy or difficult? Share with us.
Yeah, that's a good question. The journey to 4K watching hours, it was not easy. I can remember I used to spend a day indoors without getting outside. Even I do recall my clothes, this clothes, I spent 6 months without even cleaning my own clothes. Sometimes I would sleep without even eating, creating content, uploading to the YouTube channel. So the journey was not easy. Sometimes I could even go without even sleeping. And even if I sleep only for only 3 hours. And I made it. I thank God I made it. So through putting the hard working, you can make it. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watching hours. It's not hard. You have to put the work and you have to work hard. Without putting the work on it, you will never make it. So it's easy, but you have to work hard for you to get there. And it's paying. Like the way I'm saying, right now I have already received the pin. I think it was 16 September, 16 last month I think. And we went there with my friend here to collect that, my Google AdSense pin. And right now I'm just waiting the money to pile to reach that threshold, which is $100 so that they can be sent to my bank account and start earning monthly. So YouTube is paying, and don't sit there and say that I don't have something to do, I don't have a job, I'm jobless. So you can create your own job by creating content with what you love and what you are passionate about it. Upload it and work hard, you will get there.
I like that. I like your experience. At least I'm glad your channel is already monetized. So you at least know that YouTube actually does pay you real money.
Exactly.
Yes, so please share with us your experience as a YouTuber so far.
For me, can you say something about my brother talking the same, my brother say the same. You need to work hard. You need to work hard, content, you need to do as a professional where I'm doing, people can look outside, yeah, community, young generation, and do something good. Everybody can appreciate my work. It's good job or bad job, but it's a good job, yeah. But for me, I appreciate a lot today the discussion about YouTube. Yeah, people from Uganda, go look my YouTube channel, Sabla Joseph. I'm an artist. I'm not artist of Pwani. Right now, international. Yeah, but today I appreciate. I'm still alive. I'm sitting. My sister from Uganda give me opportunity today. My interview today. Talking at the people or community is maybe as a challenge, affecting for artists, young generation upcoming. As a what can you do as a brand? You know what you do. Actually, wafanya nini? I love Kiswahili, but I need to mix something. So far naweza sema kama wasanii wengine, si kila mmoja anasikia Kizungu. Utakana angalau unafanya nini katika kazi yako. Ni bidii ndio tuliposema mara ya kwanza. Lakini angalau unafanya nini? Nani atapenda hii kazi yako? Mimi sasa najivunia kama president of peace. Why nasema hivyo? Ni kitu ambacho nafanya tukiangalia uchaguzi tulimwaga damu, na tukiangalia leo East Africa nzima imekuwa fujo, mabomu, watu kuuana, kupigana risasi, hakuna amani. The same inafanyika kila sub county, Africa, every world, no peace. Why no peace? The challenge affects for community. Yeah, you need to sit down. You need to look at challenge. Why people you die? Yeah, young generation lose hope. You say government is very poor, maybe something like that. No. Yeah, you need to come together, to talk together, sit together, yeah, and then to talk together about challenge affect for artists, yeah. But for me, I appreciate God because still I'm alive today. I'm talking as a people watch me on the TV or maybe social media. I appreciate, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I thank you so much for speaking so passionately. Though I didn't understand half of what he said, but it's okay. I know the viewers will understand. So we're still talking about YouTube. That's the point of discussion today. I think my next question would be, what would you advise someone as the requirements they should have before they start a channel? Especially if someone doesn't have a lot of money, what requirements are they supposed to have? And maybe what kind of topics can they talk about? Yeah, in your own experience, in your own advice, because I hear you encouraging the youths out there to at least make themselves busy by doing YouTube, rather than going out to maybe drink alcohol or do drugs. Get yourself busy and create some content. But if that same youth doesn't have a lot of money, maybe they just have a little bit, because maybe they hustle in the town, do some casual work here and there. So what do you think would be easy for them to talk about on YouTube? Can begin with you?
Yeah, thank you for that question. And I'm going to use this quote. I just quote this word. I just read somewhere. There's a word saying that you meet the cow with what you have. See? So, starting a YouTube channel, first of all, you have to create the Gmail account. You have to create the first thing you must have the Gmail account. Secondly, you must have the smartphone. Because through smartphone you can create the YouTube channel through that smartphone. And third, you must have the memory card. Because maybe your phone doesn't have enough space to contain the content of the video. So you must have the memory, the big memory, and also you must have the quality microphone. Because the audience that you serve there with your content, they will not be comfortable when they just try to listen what you are saying, what you try to say there. They will get tired and they start shifting to other channels. So for you to make it on YouTube channel, first put God first, pray, because it's the one that gives you the energy and that gift, so that you can have more knowledge about it, and you can also expand the knowledge and the understanding. And second, you must have those equipment that I have mentioned there. Otherwise, you will get tired of it because you upload the content, and at the end of the day, there's no anyone who came to your channel to watch that content. Not because that they don't want, they want it, but the quality maybe is poor. Even edited the video in a proper way. Maybe the smartphone that you use doesn't have the megapixel that is required for you to make the content. Yeah.
Okay, you can tell us your advice.
My advice is most youth or most people, we have smartphones. Some people have smartphones but they don't know how to use smartphone. You can just take your smartphone, get a video. For my channel, I just used comedy, daily issues, what we experience daily. Don't overthink, which content I can create. These things are daily issues. Just sit there, see anything that is daily issues is a content in YouTube. Yeah.
Yes, so I would like to compliment the two of you because one, you can talk about daily issues, I agree with you. Secondly, some people just have talents.
Yeah.
Maybe they know how to sing, they know how to dance, or they know how to cook, or they know how to play something unique. Some people are just lucky, or maybe they are naturally funny, they're just a comedian.
Yeah.
So when you're lucky that you have a talent, just focus on that. If you're lucky that you have a talent, just focus on that. Or if there is something that you do really, really good, just focus on that. Create content about it. Then if you're someone who doesn't have a natural talent, or you're not naturally funny or exciting, then see what other people are doing, Because when you go on YouTube, someone might have inspired you to become a YouTuber, like your favorite YouTuber. What do they talk about? Do you think you can create the same type of content? Do you think you can talk about the same topic? So it's all about experimenting. You can even show your life, day-to-day life in the village.
Yeah.
If you are a farmer, you can show people how farming life in the village is, just by filming it on your video and you post it on your channel. If you rear cattle, I don't know what jobs people do in Kenya, or if you go sea fishing on the Indian Ocean, like you can just create content about your day-to-day life. If you have kids and you take them to the garden, like YouTube has no rules. It doesn't have any rules. It's up to you to create something, and you'll be surprised when people actually get to like it. Especially, it's all about being yourself. Like, don't pretend, don't try to be what you're not, because people want something they can relate to. If you're pretending, people will see you in the camera and know this person is pretending. If you're forcing things, people will see and know probably they're forcing things.
Yeah.
So be yourself, show your personality. Just along the way, something will work out. You can try many different things before you find something that works out. But once you find something that works out, it becomes a little bit easier. That's what I would say.
Yeah.
So I don't know, I think we've given some tips for beginners.
Yeah.
So what are your final words? Maybe we can start with you just like this. Final words, and we'll conclude the show.
Okay. First of all, go to my YouTube channel, Joseph TV Show. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that you can receive the notification for every single content that I'm going to upload there. Another thing, like the video, share with your family and friends too, so that they can learn a lot from my YouTube channel. My final words is that content creating is a job, and is a paying job, and it pays. I don't think there's any job that pays like art on this planet. So art pays. So outside there, grab your smartphone and those things that I've mentioned there. Start your own YouTube channel. Do what you're passionate about. Don't force yourself to do something that you don't like it. So do what you like and put at work. Pray to God. Put God first, and everything will be fine. And work hard, because without working hard, you'll never get anywhere. So you have to upload the video, share it with your family, friends, and also share it in the social media. You never know. Out of your content, one might go viral. One can go viral, and from there, it can be your problem that you are facing, maybe the challenges that you are facing. It will be a story of the past. So do what you love the most. I love you so much.
Okay, thank you. And Van TV.
For me, my final word is go into YouTube, search Van TV Media. Just subscribe to my channel. Put your thumb on it, like it, and you will see good and nice contents about comedies.
Okay, and your last one?
For me, my name is Sablak Joseph. Go my YouTube channel. Everywhere Sablak Joseph. For me, I appreciate a lot. But can you do something freestyle about Zem Siri? And remember, one day sharpen my skills the way I can be as a professional. Zem Siri, rest in peace. Zem Siri, remember one day you sharpen my skill, more education, explanation. Ukiniambia jinsi gani ngoma zitavuka boda to boda, East Africa International. Ya wanda Zem Siri ukanambia la kufanya, wantabiria kama nabii na kama mpita njia. Wakambana sana, wakula sana, walala sana. Kwenye mziki wa sanaa, burudani kwa sana. Ya wanda Zem Siri, nilipofika Swahili Port, Abja kanambia mulifanya mojo, lakini nambia ilikuwa kansa ilikuwa imepanda juu, lakini akanambia uko na twins wake. Zem Siri baada ya wiki nasikia rest in peace. Maandalizi zako zimekuwa angle 4, kona 4, pamba mapuani, pamba mdomoni, kisa na maana umekeep quiet. Familia na jamii wanahuzunika, marafiki wasanii, kilio cha jamaa, East Africa, ulimwengu mzima. Citizen Radio number 1, Georgia Oko iwazidi kunipa habari, maandalizi zako ziko tayari. Ni leo umekeep quiet ni forever, wanao wamebaki wakidai baba amekufa ni forever, hata uwahi kupata sauti dunia mzima. Iwanda Zem Siri, mashujaa imefika, msalimie Jaramogi Odinga, jamhuri ikifika, holiday imefika, wasalimie mashujaa wetu, msalimie Tom Mboya shujaa wetu, msalimie Robert Ouko. Iwanda Zem Siri, tukuje pamoja, tuseme pamoja, tukuje pamoja, tuimbe pamoja. Ndugu zangu wakubwa kwa wadogo, kuje pamoja, tuseme pamoja. Yeah, my name is Sablak Joseph, coming soon. Album Zem Siri, rest in peace. Thank you for sharpening my skills and remember you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's really good.
I wish I could.
I don't understand Swahili, but that was really good. I can tell like you're a good rapper. Like the flow is there. I can tell that's really good.
Yeah, I wish I could.
If you're maybe posting more of your rap, maybe people would get to know about you, because I think you have talent.
Yeah, I wish I could even grab my guitar and play the acoustic there, so while you are rapping there, it can even blend together and do. Yeah.
You'd have to first work together to put it together.
Yeah, I will do that.
But his rap is good. Like his rap is good. I can tell he has talent. Guys, this interview or this conversation was a mixture of very many things, because we have an artist, we have a comedian, we have a musician, but I hope you guys have learned a thing or two. So I thank you so much. I've been hosted by Van Media TV and Joseph TV and Sablak John? Joseph, yes. And
before you end it, I would like all the viewers to go there to my social media, because I just put the same picture, the same photo that I'm using to the YouTube channel, the same photo that I'm using to all my social media. So go to the Instagram, Joseph TV Show. Go to Facebook, you find there Joseph TV Show, but there's a name that I will use. I tried to change the name, but I can't change it. I tried, but I don't know what's wrong there. So, but you can find on Facebook, Joseph KT. I know that name will be somehow tricky. And Joseph TV Show, that is my YouTube channel. And I don't think there is also Likey. Joseph TV show. Go to InShot, TikTok, you'll find the Joseph TV show there. So I use the same name to all the social media and the same photo. Thank you.
Okay, I thank you so much, guys, and yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.